The little deer feeder we had on there. You can see the dent.
Unreal.
And it's about 20 yards away from the where we had the dishwasher. But the funny thing is, the dishwasher was sitting right here, and there's nothing left. It's all gone.
Wow.
Most of the look at the shrapnel hitting the couch.
Oh wow. Dang, man.
Look at that.
That is great.
That's what happens if you stand too close.
Too cool. Yeah, that'd have sucked if we were that close.
And then
The little white round tank deal?
yeah, it's over here. Well, here's half of it right here. And then we had a white tank sitting on top of it. There's a piece of it. Most of the stuff I saw came down like over here. Because I got the whole thing perfect, I think, on video. It's just unbelievable.
I can't wait to watch these again. On a